It's so damn easy for me, so damn easy for me. I'ma work all night, go to sleep in the morning. So damn easy for me.
What's up, guys? Thank you for all the love you've been showing our YouTube channel. If you like this video, subscribe. If you like the music in the intro and outro, check out the link or the description. Thank you.
Where'd you get this?
It's like 3 hours. You shit on that, dude?
Yeah, bro.
What the fuck's wrong with you, dude?
I don't know, man. Thought it'd be funny.
Those ought to be good. 1088.
You know a trick to make this stink bait?
God damn, that'll do it.
Yeah, every time. Every time.
What do you check?
Like, sometimes you're in your car, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes you fart, right?
Yeah.
So I was trying to see if the scent stayed on it.
And you think that was enough of a check?
Probably. Because sometimes it happens really quick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. How you doing? Hey, buddy, can you hold this for a minute? Hold it. Can you hold this up for a second? I don't know if that'll work. See the new Star Wars?
What's that?
Did you see the new Star Wars?
Yeah.
High five. Yeah. Your turn. Go ahead. Huh?
No, got one at me.
Oh, okay. When you do, come back and talk to me. So, my girlfriend broke up with me, right? And I'm trying to get her a breaking up present. And I'm thinking like some way to like, you think that would give her pink eye if I farted on it like that?
Probably.
Yeah. I caught her with my pet goat.
Yeah, everybody has an adventure.
I guess it's college, right?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Yep. Gotta try it before you buy it.
So let me grind.
You already know what it is, fans. Let's get it.
Money on my mind to the top is where we climb.
Growing up, I ain't had much. Mama never had money. I never rocked designer clothes. Now they want something from me. They say my life a movie. They say I'm living dreams. How can I become a legend? I was raised up